In this video, we'll be looking at 0.6, irrational versus rational numbers. And our essential question will be, how do I identify irrational numbers? So the first thing we'll need to do is have a definition of each, and then we'll look at some examples of how to work with some of these values or expressions and make the decision on whether they're rational or irrational. So we'll start with rational numbers. And a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction. So we have any number that can be written as a fraction, including whole numbers, any decimal that terminates, so terminating decimals, and repeating decimals. So that's our rational numbers that include whole numbers, any terminating decimals, or any repeating decimals. And then our irrational numbers is any number that cannot be written as a fraction. Including non-repeating or non-terminating decimals, so we have non-repeating, non-terminating decimals. Another irrational number is radicals. That cannot be simplified to a whole number. Any sum or difference that includes a radical that can't be simplified to a whole number, and any of our special numbers. These numbers include pi, that's the one we're most familiar with, pi. But then there's also this other number called phi, and then we have the letter e represents a special number. So all these special numbers are also irrational. Okay. So what we're going to do is we have our definitions. On the back, I just want to set up a chart, and then we'll do some examples when we get at our next class meeting. So I'm going to flip over. And we'll have our example. And then put a lot of space. It's probably going to go like over almost halfway to 2/3 of the page over. Put a line. And then we'll put irrational and rational. And we'll make it look just like this. So I'll have an example, and then we'll decide if it's irrational or rational. And we'll do that in class. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.